Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the device powered and charged. Now act. Turn the Etrex on, set time zone and measurement units, and enable WAS for improved accuracy. Once done, step outside to a clear view of the sky. Wait for the satellite icon to show a solid lock. Immediately press mark to save your start waypoint and give it a clear name. Make sure the batteries are secure. Loose contacts cause resets. Start the track log, so every movement is recorded for navigation and later export. You're navigating now. Use the joystick to switch to the map or compass page and select your destination waypoint or an existing route. Once you start, follow the breadcrumb trail or the active route guidance. Make sure map orientation is set the way you prefer, north up or track up. If directions don't match, recalculate by creating a route from current position to the waypoint. Record the track continuously and enable auto backup so you can recover data. Remember to adjust zoom to see turns early and stay aware of the distance to go. When you finish, stop the track log and save it with a clear name, then connect via USB or use the Garmin app to export your route and waypoints for backup. Power down using the proper sequence and remove batteries if you'll store the unit long-term. If you lose satellites or accuracy, try a cold start. Clear satellite memory, power off, move to open sky, and power on again for a fresh lock. Also check battery level and replace cells if the unit keeps rebooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.